Hey everyone, it's Tyler from Maple Volkswagen. Now I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here at the dealership, and I'd love to show you the features on this customized 2021 Golf GTI. So the GTI is the performance version of the Volkswagen Golf that we've offered in the Volkswagen family for many years now. Now this GTI has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, which gives you 228 horsepower and 220 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle is equipped with the automatic DSG transmission, but you can still get it in a 6-speed manual if you would like. So with the GTI, you'll notice that it comes with adaptive LED headlights, as well as the red GTI badge in the grille, and just underneath that, it comes with a red pinstripe, letting you know that it's a GTI model. Now, just underneath that, you'll notice that it comes with a sportier, more aggressive front grille, or front bumper. So the rims that are on this vehicle are custom 19-inch Rotiform HUR rims. So the suspension on this vehicle has been modified as well with the sports H&R springs, which helps with performance as well as the stance on the vehicle. So this particular GTI has the exclusive color, which is cornflower blue. And you'll notice it's a GTI enthusiast. It has the black side skirts along the side, as well as the little black lip spoiler on the back. So something that might shock you, the GTI does come with a massive panoramic sunroof, which is standard on all our 2021 GTI models. So you'll notice with the GTI comes with the signature LED taillights, as well as the dual exhaust tips and the rear sport diffuser. So the interior of the GTI is just as nice as the outside. So the GTI comes with sport bucket front seats with the red stitching along the seat as well as the shifter. And the steering wheel is also flat bottom with the red stitching on the steering wheel as well. The GTI comes with the upgraded Fender audio system, which comes with a subwoofer in the back as well. So the infotainment system is an 8-inch touchscreen, which comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So thank you for watching this video on this customized 2021 GTI. My name is Tyler, and I'm from Maple Volkswagen.